Big crowd, a boat carrying 37 Asians, including 10 children believed to be below the age of 9, landed on the shores of Boston Beach in Portland. The police are currently monitoring the situation. The Haitians appear to be in good health, but complain about being hungry. The news understands that residents, we talk about Boston residents right now, you understand, have fed the Asians while they wait for the arrival of a medical team. Big up to the Boston community. Run in and give the Asians them some food. They don't know a thing already. You know, a human being them hungry, share some food. Big up on yourself. You understand? So that's the latest right now in Portland.